won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets done taught me, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets done taught me, I'm just tryna get my niggas paid. We came from Section 8, and I knew I was that nigga since the 2nd grade. Man, I swear my time is coming, cause I'm never late. Came from broken homes and broken dreams to getting paid. Dollar bill, listen close, this is not a drill. Niggas hungry trying to get a meal. I've been in light, who gon' pay a bill? I've been in action, been in traction, surplus with niggas lacking, shining light but still be blacking, red lights will stop the action, green to go, even when it's slow. Higher heights to balance out the lows. Can't ride the wave cause you ain't got a boat. All you niggas only need to know basis. There's a water, y'all can't fuck with my oasis. Reason y'all not winning, y'all don't know the fucking basis. Moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets done taught me, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets done taught me, I'm just tryna get my niggas paid. We came from Section 8, and I knew I was that nigga since the 2nd grade. Man, I swear my time is coming, cause I'm never late. Came from broken homes and broken dreams to getting paid.
Heads up, nigga. We gon' be alright. Yeah. Look at me soaring now. Giving my soul, I pour it out. Been honest before, what you seeing now. Back when I couldn't afford a house, I used to sleep in the Prius, no heater on site at my campus. Dropped out for a job, I just couldn't manage. Was racking the debt, made it hard to see family. I ran out of panic, I started to grind at the studio. Don't tell my girl I was homeless. Was wasting the time that we could've spent. Too focused, not folding, I'm used to this. I'm not complaining, but shit to get hard, and I know what my worth is. I waited my turn, look at me flourish. I want them to know what they're seeing right now is me beating my curses. I only got one life to live, trying to keep my headspace clear. Been off the meds for the feels, trying to run it up while I'm here. Really, I am what I is. I went and became who they fear. She want me to be someone different. All of this ice in my veins. Lately, it feel like my mind is out of their range. I'm healing to funnel the pain. Let me stop for a minute to see all the shit that we never did think we would see. We was just kids in the cul-de-sac, that ass in the class with a giant heart. The memory caught in a photograph. I used to sit on the roof with my daddy, then listen to trains go by. Then later he told me he used to do things to numb out the feel of his brain on fire. Yeah. I'm not really sure what to say, cause the last time I seen him, his sister just passed and I wasn't there, too busy, LA had me tweaking. Addicted to people perception of me, no niggas that cast me as enemy. I used to wish I was current me, I'm excited to see who I'm finna be. I'm ready to grow to a better person, looking back I'm already a better person. If you hate me, then hate me, so be it. First let me give you the reason, ayy. Trying to keep my headspace clear, been off the meds for the feels. Trying to run it up when I'm here. Really, I am who I is. I went and became what they fear. She want me to be someone different.